In today's world, attention has become a rare currency. Every brand, every product, every idea is fighting for just 1 second of audience focus. But what if you no longer had to fight? What if you could create ads not only beautiful, but impossible to ignore? Welcome to the new generation of content creation with Pippit. Today, creating a professional ad no longer requires a production team, nor complex equipment, nor massive budgets. Now, with just an idea, you can turn it into a complete cinematic ad, ready to publish. Introducing the latest model from Pippit, Dreamina Seedance 2.0. This is not just an update, this is a complete transformation in how ads are created. Imagine simply writing what you want and watching it come to life instantly. Close-up shot, a shining product, slow motion, a luxurious feel. And within seconds, this description turns into a real advertising video with a quality that rivals the biggest brands. But what makes this model truly different? First, precision. Pippit understands details. Skin, metal, liquids, textures. Every element appears as if filmed with a real cinematic camera. Nothing feels artificial. Everything feels real. Second, consistency. Your product keeps the same identity, the same look, the same essence from the first shot to the last frame. No randomness, just perfect continuity. Third, true narrative intelligence. Pippit doesn't just create ads, it understands storytelling. Every scene connects, every motion has meaning, every transition serves a purpose.
Strength has no size. Confidence is the real power. Move with pride. Move with pride.
Fourth, automatic voiceover. Write your script and turn it into a natural, professional voice, just like a real TV commercial. No need for recording studios.
Between the timeless elegance of cedar and the mystique of incense, the story is born. Atlas, cedar and smoke. Not just a fragrance, but an unforgettable trail.
Fifth, 360 degrees dynamic motion. Your product is no longer static. It becomes a full visual experience with multiple angles and realistic movement, just like high-end 3D production. Imagine this, a fast food sandwich. Slow motion shot. Potato chips glistening. Steam rising. Or a waterproof shoe. Droplets sliding off it. Fine details. A sense of realism. Or even a simple product, transformed into a luxury ad with just one idea. This is the real difference. You're not creating content, you're creating an experience. Whether you are an e-commerce seller, a brand marketer, an agency, or a professional creator, Pippit gives you the power to compete with the biggest players. And for the first time, AI-generated videos no longer look artificial. No distortions, no errors, no plastic feeling, just pure, professional quality. Expand your brand reach with high-level advertising powered by Pippit's latest model, Dreamina Seedance 2.0. Now, the real question is not, can you create an ad, but how many ads can you produce in less time with higher quality? With Pippit, you can create dozens of ads in the same time it used to take you to make just one. This is not just a tool, it's your creative partner. Start now. Step into the new era of content creation. Scale your brand with Pippit. The idea was always yours, but now you have the power to make it real. Pippit, where ideas become unforgettable ads. I will leave you with some of the marketing work that I have done using Dreamina Cedance 2.0 for the Pippit platform.
freshness you can feel. Pure orange, pure energy.
Elegance in every step. Crafted for timeless confidence. Where luxury meets tradition. Every sip tells a story. Awaken your senses. Experience the taste of perfection. Style in every angle. Designed to move with you. 𝘽𝙐𝙎𝙎𝙎, redefine streetwear.